We're going right now, and he's not super tall. The camera is just super close to me and him. And yeah, so let's go. Hey guys, we're going right now. So, see you guys there. Look at that. That's the Rave, bro. I hope you enjoyed, and the light that's in my face on YouTube, editing my videos and shit like that. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going back to my dad, so God knows what happens, and Jay says bye. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and bye. Yeah, so maybe you could just go to my channel and literally just find it and subscribe, because we need subscribers. We only have 3. Come on. But yeah, thanks for the 42 views on my first video, and as always guys, peaches. Woo!